Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make a website on Canva. So let's get started. So to make a website here you have to follow these easy steps. So first you have to open your browser and then you have to search for the google.com, and then here when you will just go click on this here and then you have to search for Canva. Just go to the canva.com, then you have to sign up, or if you have a ID then you can log in and then you can download the Canva app like this, and it will automatically log in, and then you have to follow these steps. So here you will just go to the home and you can see the designs, so you can just go to the Magic Studio if you want to, and here you can see the projects and templates too. So here you can just go to the search bar and then you have to search for the website. Just go here and then you have to search for the website. Just go here, go to websites, then here we can see the websites. So from here you have to see, so you can just search for your website. For example, you can just go to the like here theme, you can select your theme. So I will select a business, then select the features. You can just do colors also. Let's say style like a creative. Now you have creative business designs, so you can just go here. This is looking good, so I will just click on here as customize this template, and from here you can see your template. Okay, so this is the website design. Okay, so we can see here first here. So to create a design, first we will put our logo and other things. So these is the logos made here. So here I will just erase it, and for example my logo is say like Canva. We will just remove this and we will just put here like our logo name, company name as let's say Canva gang. Just do like this way. Then from here you have to write your tagline. So for example we can say like designing or design design is, you can say like design, just write design. Okay, whatever you want to write right here, just go to the click mode and from here you can just edit this also. So let me put down, and from here we can just play this one, so it will something like look like this. And after here we can see the changes. So from here you have to set your website like this way. So here you have to just click on this here, and from here you have to write your first, like you can just write like intro. Okay, then you can write a paragraph that talks about the company, your, or if it's your personal website, write about yourself. Then what is your special about your company or your website. For example, if you do graphic designing, so you will just give your projects here, and after here why to choose us. So here you have to provide your services and other things. If you are a personal making personal website, customizes according to you. So then here you can see our agency agrees, you can see like our clients agrees, sorry. So you can just write a client rating if you are a business. If you are like a personal, then you can just put here. And if also if you are making a family website for sharing like some photos or somewhat that things, then you can make here as well. And by clicking here tools, you can import some amazing things as well. For example, you can make like a presentator. From here you can just use a Mojo AI and many other things. So for example, if I import here like this presentator AI, just click on open. Then from here I can just create a AI voiceover or the AI like there's characters. So for example I will just search here and I will write here, let us say I am like hello, Hello everyone, I am John. Just select your language and other things. Like from here, just click on this preview. Just go back, just connect it here. From here you have to sign in, and after that then you can just put it here, your voiceover, and then it would be made. Then after here making, then you can go to the last here, and then you can share your contact here. Just click on this here 2 times, and then you can customize your number also. For example, if my number is, let us say, 909 slash 109, I can just put again my number, and after that you will just put your email. Then you can just give your social media handles, just like this way, or you can just click on this here, go to here, go to the link, and from here you can just link your like social media handles, and after that then you can publish the site. Just click on this preview, and after here you can just preview your website. So by this way it will load. So let's see, it's loading. So here is our site. So if you go here, here is our site, like Canva Gangs Design. Here we can see like intro, what's special. Here we can just like write to choosers, our client agrees, grab the reader attention in the lines here. Then we can share our users, here our phone number and the things, and after here you can just close, and then you can click on share, and then you can just download this like all the things as your PNG. And if you don't want PNG, then you can save into your PDF and other formats too. But if you want to publish this, then you can just click on this publish website, then it will load. Just click on this settings, and from here you can see if you want to edit, then you have to have a custom domain. Then click on publish site. So it will create here our public website. You can also visit into them. So here we'll just wait. So here we can just copy this here, and then we can share. We can just open it here by this way, and we can see here our website. So by this way you can just do it, and this is how to create a website using Canva. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.